Ever wished you could manage your team's shift schedules without juggling multiple spreadsheets or apps? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to set up shift schedules and rotations in Google Calendar, the smart, free way to keep everyone on track in 2025. Let's jump right in. Open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Once your calendar loads, you'll see your week or month view, whichever you prefer. Now, click on the specific date and time where you want your first shift to begin. This opens a new event window. Give the event a clear name, like morning shift or evening shift. Then set your start and end times. This helps everyone know their exact working hours. If your shift has a physical location, you can add it here too for easy reference. In the description box, type any extra details like responsibilities or reminders for the team. Now, use the Add Guests option to invite your team members. Once you save the event, everyone will get an automatic notification. No extra emails needed. To make this shift repeat automatically, open the event again and click the option that says Does Not Repeat. From there, choose how often you want it to recur. Weekly, bi-weekly, or create a custom rotation that fits your schedule. Here's a quick pro tip. Assign different colors to each shift type or team. Color coding makes it super easy to see who's working when, at just a glance. And that's it. Your shifts, schedules, and rotations are now fully automated in Google Calendar. And it's simple, efficient, and keeps your entire team synced effortlessly. If this guide helped you stay organized, stick around for more tutorials like this, packed with practical tools to make your digital workflow smoother.